Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So a little bit of a continuation to the downside, but it did form a range, and you'll look at it now. There was opportunities on the lower time frames, as we spoke about yesterday, but if you look at what's happened now, we've got a bit of a range bar, then we've got a pin bar, and as I said, in between these two levels of 109,517 and 108,887, there was so many opportunities that would have held up price. So I'm just picking on one here, and it's this pin bar here from the week of the 5th of August, which is at 109,044, and you can see exactly what we came back to. So this is a very strong weekly area of support, so I'm very, very reluctant to just try and assume that it's going to break through that on a whim. So 3 hour, you can see there was the opportunity, and we're going to just put that level in, and let's just put that top pin bar in. So this one here, lock them in. That's the zone, and then we can have a look at that on the lower time frame. But the trend was down, so yesterday I said to you there was an opportunity short in this area. You can see there's a nice hourly pin bar here as well, and then look in between there's a third level. So you've got your two common ones on the higher time frames, and then you've got one that is not on the higher time frames but on the lower time frames, and look where price was there. Again, downward trend, and that's kind of where the opportunity came. And it came with a 15-minute massive crazy range bar. So I doubt you would have got in on it as that was when data was released. I definitely would have gotten in on it, but I can guarantee you that there are some souls out there who were who have nerves of steel, who would have had a trade waiting in this zone, have a stop of 140 points, and basically targets at this level, and it would have been a really decent 3-to-1 trade, actually 4-to-1 trade. So yeah, but that's the beauty about noise. But anyway, that was the opportunity that we had, and then obviously we've got buyers coming in off 109,044, but that is not a decent level for me at the moment. So what are we looking for? Pretty much the same as yesterday now. We've tested some levels lower down, and it's ranging, and I think we need to see a break of, at this stage, it's going to be this 109,541. You do have a weekly level above us here at 109,613, but yeah, diagonal trend line is broken, or breaking should we rather say, in amongst moving averages broken. Look at it on the hour, and I just want to see what the daily looks like. There's a bit of a pin bar, 150 daily EMA there as well. Look at my oscillators, and then you've got diversions from this swing low from the beginning of August to this one here, and I wouldn't be surprised to see if this is a Fibonacci retracement, to be honest. A little bit more than a Fibonacci retracement, but anyway, I think I'd rather wait for a break above 109,613, and I want to see price build a base up there before starting to look for anything to the upside. This is a weekly game at the moment, and the weekly game is a retest of some weekly structure, and I don't know where that weekly structure is at the moment. This makes the most sense at 109,500. Definitely makes the most sense, but then this weekly bar is going to need to close above it. So that's kind of where I am at the moment. Sitting on the side, not really interested in trying to get into this right now. We'll wait for next week. I think this week has just been too volatile with all the data that's come out. Anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you on Monday. Cheers for now.